DIRECTV GO may not show up on your smart TV if you are searching for the wrong app name. On many TVs, the app may appear as DGO instead of DIRECTV GO, so you need to search it the right way. In this video, I will show you how to find DIRECTV GO or DGO on your smart TV, how to install it correctly, and how to activate it after installation. I will also show you what to do if the app does not appear in the App Store, does not open, freezes, shows a black screen, keeps buffering, or gets stuck while signing in. The first thing you need to check is the app name, because this is where many people get confused. If you search only DIRECTV GO in your smart TV App Store, the app may not appear. So instead of typing the full old name, search for DGO in the App Store. On many TVs, the app shows with this shorter name, so this should be the first thing you try. Now check if your smart TV or streaming device supports the app. DGO is available on supported smart TVs and streaming devices like Samsung, LG, Android TV, or Google TV, Apple TV, Roku, Chromecast, Fire TV, and similar supported devices depending on your region. So if the app does not appear in your TV App Store, it may be because your TV model, TV region, or device does not support it. To install the app, press the Home or Menu button on your TV remote. Now open Apps or the App Store on your smart TV. Go to the search option, type DGO, and look for the correct DGO app. Once you see it, select the app and press Install. Wait for the installation to finish. After the app is installed, you may see a small message or pop-up on the screen. Just close it if it appears. Then add the DGO app to your TV home screen or start menu, so next time you do not have to search for it again. This makes it easier to open the app quickly whenever you want to use it. Now, open the DGO app on your smart TV. Select Start or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. If the TV shows an activation code, use the DGO mobile app or the account settings option to connect your TV and enter that code. If you already have a DIRECTV or DGO account, sign in with the same account details. If the app does not appear in the App Store, search only DGO again instead of typing the full name. Also check your TV App Store region because the app may not show in every region. After that, update your TV software, restart the TV, and search again. If the app still does not appear, then your TV may not support it, and you can use another supported device like Android TV, Fire TV, Roku, Chromecast, or Apple TV instead. If the app is installed but it does not open, freezes, or stays stuck on the loading screen, fully close the DGO app first. After closing it, restart your TV and then open the app again. A simple restart can help when the app is stuck or not loading properly. If restarting the TV does not fix the problem, clear the DGO app cache or app data from your TV or streaming device settings. After clearing the cache or data, open DGO again. You may need to sign in again, so keep your account details ready. If the app is still stuck or showing a black screen, uninstall DGO from your smart TV. After uninstalling it, restart the TV once, then go back to the official App Store, install DGO again, and open the app fresh. This can help if the app files were not working properly. If videos are buffering, freezing, or not playing smoothly, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router, then reconnect your TV to the internet. After that, open DGO again and try playing a video. If possible, use a stronger Wi-Fi connection or move the router closer to the TV. If the app keeps freezing again and again, check the storage on your TV or streaming device. Streaming apps need free space for cache and temporary data. If your device storage is almost full, the app may freeze or work slowly. If the app asks for an update or refuses to play content, update the DGO app from the App Store. Also check if your smart TV has any pending system update. After updating the app and the TV software, restart the TV and try opening DGO again. If sign-in or activation is not working, close the app and open it again. Make sure the code showing on your TV screen is still fresh. Then try connecting the TV again from the mobile app or account settings. If the code expires, generate a new code from the TV app and enter the new one. If DGO works on another device but not on one specific TV, then the problem is probably with that TV app, TV software, cache, or device storage. In that case, repeat the same fixes on that TV, clear the cache, restart the TV, update the app, update the TV software, and reinstall the app if needed. If nothing works on your built-in Smart TV app, use DGO through another supported device like Fire TV, Roku, Chromecast, Apple TV, Android TV, or casting from the mobile app if available. This is useful when the built-in TV app is not stable or the TV does not support DGO properly. That's it for this video on how to get DIRECTV GO or DGO on your smart TV and fix the most common app problems. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you find the app, install it correctly, activate it, and solve issues like the app not showing, not opening, freezing, black screen, buffering, or sign-in problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful smart TV guides. Have any questions or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.